Good afternoon, Ma'am Ajeng. My name is Eda Tarisa from class LG24 and majored in International Business Management. Now we from Group 1 will present about the event that we made that called Binus Music Concert. And now I will start the presentation. The first one, I will explain about purpose of proposal. The purpose of this document is to provide a brief overview of the plan to stage a fundraising event in the form of a Binus Music Concert. Tawada Healthcare with Bina Nusantara Teach for Indonesia seeks assistance for the necessities to host our event, which will be conducive to the sustainability of our organization, so that we continue to render much needed community empowerment and development services to our beneficiaries. And the next one, I will explain about strategic objectives. Our objective is to ensure that there is continuous sustainability of income-generating projects for the orphan and vulnerable children, women and youth in the organization and the community, that is, health services, social services, community-led development or poverty alleviation, and the last one is training, education, and capacity building. Further, to ensure that we educate our community at large about work done by our organization in promoting societal interests and awareness on social development and empowerment ethics as prescribed in our constitution of our country. We were only able to render these above-mentioned services through the charitable support from international and local donors. We are currently responsible for 700 numbers of beneficiaries. And for the next slide will be continued by my friends.
Now we will discuss about the objectives mentioned above. In order to achieve all the objectives mentioned above, we have planned an event which will showcase the traditional arts through dance, music, education, and etc. We believe that with our stakeholders, our community, particularly the most vulnerable, will be able to benefit immensely through a continuum of services and social cohesion, so that all will appreciate and take responsibility of the ills of societal elements that the organization had in all the years it's been advocating for. And for the entertainment part, it will be filled by Indonesian artists by the name of Raisa, Rosa, Afgan, Tulus, and Isyana Sarasvati, as well as our local traditional dancers will be showcasing their talents. And for the event will be a platform of raising funds and exposure to the community of services that we render and how they can benefit from them. We intend to market our organization through capacity building and providing HCT programs with pre and post counseling. We will also include the arts and culture stalls to advertise the creative work of our beneficiaries, as well as community and stakeholders. Meals and drinks will be bought through vouchers. Local businesses will rent the stalls to market themselves to the community, and cultural exchange by any means of dancing and performance. So next point will be about the activities. Now, the activities in this event involves art and culture. Now, we expect in order to host a successful event, we need support from our identified stakeholders in the first one, rent and promote their merchandise, purchase and support items sold at the event, pre-order prescribed tickets for accreditation, and last one will be community will be coming in numbers to support the event at a price. So the next part will be continued by my friends. Thank you.
So next is the list of wares that need sponsorship. On the right side is the number of items that is needed. We need to rent the venue for the event and join operational committee services such as fire, paramedics, health services, and portable toilets, including for disabled, and sanitary, toilet paper and cleaning materials, other equipment such as generator, extension cables, tables, stage building, stage hire, production, lights, PA system, flat screen, and microphones, stage decor, table decor, catering costs for bands and local crew, marquee tents, such as for food and arts display stalls. Lunch of VIP, each is 20,000 per person, including our participants. Next one is artists, entertainers to perform. Focus is on arts and culture. Artist fees, middle agents and runner fee. Marketing for advertising, printing of posters and flyers. Administration costs, stationery, invitations, and ticket printing. Travel, transport cost pre, interim and post of the event, including participants. And the last one is walkie-talkies for the communication between the committee members. We need in total 60 walkie-talkies.
For the publicity, we will be involving our local newspapers such as Kompas, Jakarta Post, and Java Post. Then, for the radio stations, we will be inviting Prambors Radio and Power FM Jakarta. And the other benefits by joining these events are the different nonprofit organizations that are invited will be able to showcase and sell their merchandise on the day of the event. Next, the targeted participants are banks, retailers, food stores, transport agencies, manufacturing companies, and the last one will be Nusantara University students.
So I will explain the opportunities of our Binus Music concert proposal. The first is we got the exposure of our services and local arts to the community of Alam Sutra. And then we can share the awareness and education of art and culture. And then we can empower the local corporates in creative and art with work. And then we can also share the HIV counseling and testing, our HCT. And then next to the conclusion, in order to make this program possible and successful, your assistance will be highly appreciated. It will be a wonderful opportunity to showcase our rich culture and sense of community within Tawada. It is also a fantastic opportunity to demonstrate the cooperation between government, non-government organizations, and private sectors to the benefit of people working together. We can really do more. Tawada Healthcare and Support Trust continues to advance its mission to provide holistic, quality, and sustainable services to orphans and vulnerable children and their families in disadvantaged communities. Through our programs, we have seen many lives changing for the better. So that's all the presentation from our group today, Group 1. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.